Happy Easter, everyone. I'm so excited to make this video. I've been waiting and waiting, actually, since I found my bathing suit and it fit my body. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Number one, I'm excited about that. Number two, I'm excited because a couple of weeks ago, did I say Happy Easter? Yes, Happy Easter, everyone. Yeah, this is me spending the holiday by myself. Number one, I'm sick. Number two, I do have a lot of offers and fantastic people that would like to spend some time with me. However, I'm actually kind of happy that I'm sick. Okay, yes, I'm like scratching my head too. Sick? I'm happy because you know what? That means I can't go anywhere. So I am embracing this holiday by myself and yeah, keeping my little germs to myself. Just a little cold, you know, we all get them. We all get over them. But anyway, yeah, a couple weeks ago, shopping around, and I saw, seriously, this little baby cakes. It's funny, my husband who passed away, when we were together, he used to call me baby cakes. We actually called each other cakes. You know, it was short for baby cakes. So, you know what? I'm kind of thinking about David right now with this little cupcake maker. So yeah, I called my mom and I was like, oh my God, do you remember the Easy Bake Oven? And she laughed. I had so many containers full of cake mix. Yeah, out of the box, just like the cake mix I'm using today. And I just had them in jars. And I swear to God, like my sister and I would just kind of grab a spoon, open up the jar, and like just eat a spoonful here and there. Oh, so funny. So anyhow, yeah, my big goal was when I was at the dollar store, saw little bunny ears. And then I remember my little cute little, they look like glass slippers, but they're not. They're plastic stripper shoes, I'm sure. But I flip and love them. So I thought I'm only going to be 57 at Easter one time, so I might as well have fun with it and embrace my, you know, legally blonde, you know, Elwood's her grandma's moment, because I'm sure Elwood's grandma would have been like me. Yes, we live the same way. We have the same types of things. I know it's a little embarrassing to even admit to you people, but I am so unbelievably happy, and super excited about this video. So here I am making little cupcakes. So what I had to do was take this Betty Crocker cake mix. I think it's like a French vanilla. Let me see. Every time I walk by, I still have the bunny ears on. And I almost, yeah, French vanilla. I almost wipe out my brand new tree every single time because you know what? I don't want to take the bunny ears off. This is Easter. This is me. Hey, you know, maybe I'll even wear them for a week. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So anyway, yeah, I had to, because I obviously didn't want to make the whole cake mix. That would be awful because then I would have to eat all of these cupcakes. I did make 16. I had to split the cake mix into 3 sections. And I have 2 little bowls of cake mix over there because it was 3 eggs. So I figure, how are you going to split eggs if it's not, you know, 1 egg for each bowl? So yeah, so I made my little concoction up and then had the icing, admitting to you all right here that I may or may not have opened occasionally while I was watching something and kind of had little spoons of it. So yeah, that sort of, yeah, disappeared quickly. So I did save some. And then I have had strawberries in the freezer. So I thought, just going to defrost them and I'm going to make some yummy cake icing, and enjoy these little bad boys. So here I am, also, actually not here, you're seeing me just making the little guys, trying to figure out how long to leave them in. I did have to leave them in so that it popped, like it doesn't pop up, but it just kind of indicates that it's finished. And then I looked at them and I really didn't think they were done, so I left them twice. They don't burn. They are like a little plasticky, I gotta admit to you. They're not like your usual cupcakes that rise nicely in the oven. Although it has been an awfully long time since I've had one of those. But anyway, but the end result, flippin' love them. And then also, one of the first purchases after my breakup was a little cute cake plate. Is that what it is? Yeah, cake plate. And the dome actually was from a different domey thing. So I bought the two of them so that I could have one sitting beside my door to put like change and keys and things like that. When I came in, it's cute. I'll take a picture. And then the dome part I put on top of the cake plate. And the pink is perfect, because I could see where I wanted this kitchen to go. Now that it's going to be completely mine, I can just pink it to death. Pink, pink, pink. Pink is also a beautifully healing color, the vibration of pink. So I'm embracing it all. Yeah, I am embracing my inner diva. I'm embracing my inner child. I am not afraid to admit to all of you people, there'll probably be like 3, my friends, that will watch this video to the end, let's be honest. But I'm admitting that this is what I'm doing. A grown-ass woman, almost 58 years old, yes, in less than a month. Yeah, this is me, close to 60. So I do feel like a rock star, gotta be honest with you. Oh, also, yesterday I took myself out for a walk and I had these jeans, and the jeans are from Free People. I swear to God, I've had these jeans since I was with my husband in Calgary. And these jeans, I wasn't even big back then, but these jeans, I swear, I couldn't even get like a leg into them. So I looked at the jeans because I had them around because I thought, you know what, I'm going to cut them up the sides or something, or put some cool little, going to expand these jeans. And then I put them on, and then I was like, are you freaking kidding me? I actually could do them up. So I'm wearing the skinny jeans, that I never ever was able to put on my body before. And then they're like nicely flared. Oh my God. At some point I'll put them in a video. Cause yeah, another rock star moment. So whoever this person is that is talking to you, that was hatched as of, Christmas, as my Christmas gift, I am loving her. I am loving myself. I'm so beyond happy. I can't believe that this is my life. And the only thing I would change, putting my finger up on the air, one thing, I would like to be closer to my family. But you know what? Life is the way it is right now. I really think that all this time by myself is what is needed for me to go through this inner journey, to embrace it all and have fun and see what happens. I have no idea what's going to happen, and I'm ready. So I guess we're all going to see together. So anyway, I hope you're all having a lovely Easter weekend with your friends or family. And even if you're alone, it's okay. You're still alive. You know what? My poor dad, he made it to 55 years old, and one day he just didn't make it till the next morning. So Be grateful that you're alive. And you know what? We all get handed a lot of crappy things, but it's not about what we're handed that defines us, but it's how we handle ourselves in those moments, and keep seeing the bigger picture and keep seeing that one day this will happen. You got to have some goal and work towards that goal, and things just magically open up, and next thing you know, boom, you're living that life. So here I am living that life. I love you all. Have a fantastic time, and know that whatever we're going through or we're faced with, it all will change. So if it's fantastic, appreciate every single second of this, because yeah, we just don't know if tomorrow is promised. Okay, I love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.